How to set time limits on TikTok. If you want to control your TikTok usage or manage screen time for someone else, TikTok has built-in features to help you set the time limits. And here's how you can use them. First of all, launch the TikTok application in your mobile device. And then log into your account if you have not already logged in. Once you're logged in, now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you get into your profile, again tap on the three-line icon at the top right. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Here scroll down a bit and under Content and Display, there is an option Add Screen Time. Tap on it. After that, at the top, there you'll find an option that says Daily Screen Time. Tap on it. Then again tap on Set Daily Screen Time. Now from here you get to choose from two options whether you want to set the time limit every day or you want to set a custom limit per day. So according to your preference you can choose one from here, and then now you can choose your desired daily time limit. Tap on Time. Now you can choose your desired time. After that tap on Next. And here it says you have edited your daily time. And with that, you have limited the time on TikTok. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.